Hello everyone, myself Monica and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today's topic is Article 368 of Indian Constitution. Article 368 of Part 20 of Indian Constitution provides two types of amendments: by a special majority of Parliament, by a special majority of the Parliament and the ratification of the half of the total states. Amendment as per Article 368. According to Article 368, the procedure of the amendment of the Constitution is laid down in Article 368 as follows. An amendment of the Constitution can be initiated only by the introduction of a bill, the purpose in either house of the Parliament, either Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha, and not in the state legislatures. The bill can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member and does not require prior permission of the President. The bill must be passed in each house by the special majority, that is a majority of the total membership of the house and a majority of 2/3 of the members of the house present and voting. Each house must pass the bill separately. In case of a disagreement between the two houses, there is no provision for holding a joint sitting of the two houses of the purpose of deliberation and passage of the bill. If the bill seeks to amend the federal provisions of the Constitution, it must be ratified by the legislature of half of the states by a simple majority, that is, majority of the members of the House present and voting. After duly passed by the both of the houses and ratified by the state legislature where necessary, the bill is presented to the President for assent. The President must give his assent to the bill. He can neither withhold his assent to the bill nor return the bill for reconsideration of the Parliament. After the President's assent, the bill becomes an act, a Constitution Amendment Act, and the Constitution stands amended in accordance with the term of the Act. And in case if you guys are having any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.